Okay, for the last couple months, man, we've been cooped up, and I love you to
Yes.
death, but I'm ready for some
know.
space. I'm ready for some space. So we decided we're going to go with an RV instead of going on vacation this year like we normally go to Europe or something. We're going to stay in the U.S. where it's safe. We're going to get an RV. We're going to stay out of airplanes. We're going to stay out of hotels. We're going to do what's safe for us and have some fun too. The first couple dealers that we've been to today, frankly, I wasn't impressed. It really wasn't. I'm hoping that maybe check your notes here and see why are we at Worldwide RV, because my patience is about done, frankly.
I know, and your patience, I understand that. So I already had done some research, and Worldwide RV, their website was so easy to navigate. I had fun on it. Then I made a phone call and I spoke to a female salesperson. She's been there forever. She knew exactly what I wanted, total respect, told me even about the financing when we come to visit. And then when we get here, I can't believe they bring us water, they bring us sanitizer, and they don't bug us. They just said, take your time, come in when you're ready. That I like.
Well, I like that too. And if they read your look at all, I'm sure they ran. Yeah. But
that's true. That is true.
The one thing I'm looking for, frankly, is product selection. And I do see that they've got a couple of things here we want to look at.
That one I like.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe we'll take a look at that one for sure. I'm interested in horsepower. We always tow when we're going, so we're going to be like dragging a Jeep or a trailer or something behind us. So power is a big deal for me. Towing capacity is always an issue. And then how many seats or how many beds, basically. We've got tons of grandkids.
That's right.
How many can we handle? How many are we going to bring with us is what I'm wondering. And then comes the storage. Every time we go someplace, you pack like we're going to the moon.
Well, I need my shoes.
I need space for what I got too. And then most importantly on my list is the bathroom. The toilet needs to be comfortable.
That's right. That's your thing. I forgot.
Right. That's where I live. That's my office. No doubt about that. But hey, one thing that we do like about Worldwide RV, nobody's bugging us for sure. Let's go check out a couple rigs.
Sounds good.